Tonight we're going Cuban because we're celebrating Cuban tradition, Cuban music, and Cuban cocktail, Cuban punch. It is Mojito from scratch. Please join me at my small kitchen. Let's have fun, music, and some learning on this classic Cuban punch, Mojito from scratch. And strictly no shortcuts. Warm welcome. Thank you for joining me here today. Welcome back to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. We're making a punch today. We'll be doing a mojito, a traditional Cuban drink. We'll also be reviewing and introducing other alternatives like Sangria or Tinto de Verano. You might not believe those can all be made by simply from these ingredients. How about reviewing first Sangria? Sangria actually is a mixture of red wine, traditionally, and orange juice or Sprite. That's the combination plus fruits like apple, peach, and orange. As simple as that. Of course, add ice cubes. One option, a cheaper and easier option, is red wine and lemon soda or Sprite, for example. Combine the two and you get what they call Tinto de Verano. By the way, those drinks or those punch or those cocktails are available the procedure in the description box, and at the end of this video I'll be linking them. I'll be connecting the videos even. But as promised, we'll be doing mojito and we'll make it as authentic as possible. You call it OA, but that's the reason why I wore my guayabera, or what the Americans would call a Filipino wedding dress. And notice the Cuban flag at the back. So it's mojito. Some do it the shortcut. They just combine rum, white rum, and lemon lime or Sprite or lime soda. Well, that approximates the taste. But it's not mojito without the herb, and that herb is mint. Mojo means herb. Look, to show you, I harvested them fresh from here. It doesn't look good anymore because I just harvested the remaining leaves. Let's make it, and let's do it from scratch, avoiding as much as possible the use of this shortcut. Okay, what do we need? I'll tell them to you as I add them or as I prepare them. Let's proceed. We'll be preparing 1 glass. For 1 glass, we need half a lime, of course we need a special or separate glass to prepare it. The lime in there. 1 tablespoon sugar. It might sound much, but for this drink, the sweetness needs to balance the sourness of the lime. And we add the lime or the mint leaves, at least 7. Okay. And we smudge the herb, the lime, and the sugar. Did you see that? Don't overdo it. You don't want the leaves to disintegrate. They will stick, or the pieces will stick to your lips when you drink it. It will not be good. And we add the soda water. I'll be using Tonic Classic. We can put this away. This as well, we don't need it anymore. How about cleaning for more presentability? And we mix to dissolve the sugar. Some would add the rum at this time or even while smudging the herb and the lime. But I saw it in Cuba, they add it at the end. Of course, for the show. They want to show it being added. It's for the show. Now, of course, for this punches, we need ice. I'm gonna pour this onto the ice cubes. See, it's just enough. I still have the undissolved sugar. It's not much. That's forgivable. And I'll add al gusto alcohol. Rum. It's white rum, by the way. Tanway in the Philippines would be perfect. And that's it. It's done. It's done. Refreshing, really. I'm gonna enjoy this with Cuban rhythms. That's what I meant. If the leaves were shredded, the particles or the pieces would stick to your lips. I'm gonna enjoy this with some Cuban rhythms. I'm gonna leave you now with the scenes from Cuba to enjoy this as authentic as possible, and at the end, and even in the description box, the recipes for Sangria and Tinto de Verano. Enjoy this mojito and enjoy the rhythm.
Y así pasan los días.